Welcome back to my channel. In today's edition of Operation Curb Appeal, I have some Nepeta cat's pajamas, which are these purple flowers, along with some dianthus painted town magenta. The cat's pajamas at full size will be about 14 inches tall by 20 inches wide, and the dianthus will be about 8 inches tall by 14 inches wide. I think these more petite plantings will look better than the old yew shrubs planted in the 1960s that block the windows and could potentially provide shelter for a burglar who's trying to break in. This rich black soil is the result of dumping mulched autumn leaves and grass into a pile in the backyard for over 15 years. I figured this should help replenish the soil around the new plantings, which is mostly clay, and I'm guessing has been depleted from supplying those yews for over 50 years. And we got some starter kit stuff here. When I get the starter kit, they actually extend the warranty on the plants from 1 year to 2 years. So I figured, yeah, what the heck. It's got some goodies in it, peat moss and compost, manure, lime. As with all projects, planning and measuring comes first. I figured out the spacing based on how big the plants will get, and then used a tape measure and some wood scraps to identify the hole locations. The digging process for all 12 holes took about 30 minutes. I'm glad I invested in the pick and a new shovel. I dug the holes much larger than the pots, so the volume around each plant would be a combination of the starter mix, leaf and grass mulch, and a little of the original clay soil. I added a couple scoops of mulch to each hole and then divided the bag of starter mix so each plant could get roughly an equal share. I then added some of the original soil and mixed it by hand. Using the tape measure as a guide, I carefully removed each plant from its pot and set it into its new home. I added more mulch and soil to get everything to about the right level so the plant would not sit too high or too low in the hole. Over the next 25 minutes, the remaining 11 plants on this side made their way into their new home. That side's done. Now we get to do this side. Alright, with 20 plants to water with the jump start, I calculated I needed about 1 cup of this here mixed into the 5 gallons of water. They want 3.5 tablespoons per pint. So there we go. It's all mixed. Let's feed the plants. Well, this concludes the next phase of Operation Curb Appeal. Hopefully what I've done works and the plants will grow. We shall see. As always, thank you for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button if you like what you see and you want to see more. And if so, till the next video, see you later.